Good morning, everyone. Good morning, families and friends. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please, I want you guys to join me as we're going to discuss about our business opportunity. Okay? Yeah, so before that, we're going to play some music. Narekelemo. It's still in early. Good morning, Mama Merit, my beautiful Sister Tina. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Invite friends. Give me thumbs up. Nemo. Shuku namo bimo. Easy way you can do. Easy now. Yeah, I've danced a little bit now. Okay. Rain down to Jehovah, for he has done so very much for me. Please give me thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, and share my video. Okay, please guys, share my video. Share. Be your brother's keeper. Be your sister's keeper. Good morning. Good morning to my beautiful sister Blessing. Good morning. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you. I love you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. I will not take much of your time. You know, if you have been watching or you have been following me in my Facebook, you know, thank you. You are nice too. You are beautiful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. In my platform, all tribe, all languages is accepted. So don't feel shy that I cannot write, I cannot say this. You are allowed. Even you want to call me, you want to ask me for information, you are free. Okay? We speak everything. We knock them with a breaker. You know, understand it the way everybody go till they understand what they try to talk about. You don't understand. It's made for young and old. So we want to understand where we are going and where we are coming from. Okay? Yeah, so we get started. We thank God for making us to sleep last night and make us to wake up this morning. We give him all the glory. We give him all the praise. Thank you once again. Please share my video. Invite friends. Share it. Let this video go viral. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do, God Almighty will bless una for me well. Okay? Yes, today we are going to talk about business opportunity for men, for women, for young or for old. You understand? So we want to talk about our business opportunity today. You understand? You know, say this time now, many people know they go to work. This time now, many people dey house. This time, many people just dey. They don't do anything. Good morning, my beautiful sister Elizabeth, Alaska. Thank you for joining. Thank you. You are welcome. So this time, most of us are just at home doing nothing. You understand? Most of us, we lost our jobs for now because of the situation. Most of us are just at home doing nothing. So now, this is business opportunity. As you can see, I am in my house. I am trading from my bed, from my parlor. You understand? They will say parlor. English go say city room. You know, understand? So I talk and just say we go dey knock us so that everybody go dey know wetin we dey talk about. You understand? So na be the thing. If my music too loud, make una tell me, then I go low am small. You know, understand? So this one na the business what we dey talk about. This is business. This is the product we get. This one are the products we have. This is lift. This lift is so wonderful and amazing. It's so wonderful and amazing. When you are so tired, you are so weak, you feel like you don't have more energy on you anymore, you are so exhausted, so you can just bring out one. It's a sachet. You bring a glass of water, you turn in, you stir, then you drink. I bet you, in less than 5 minutes, the kind strength wey you go get, even though work no dey hard, you go begin find work by yourself. This one, they just make am with natural fruits. Na dey take make am, so e dey wonderful, e dey amazing, e dey nice. You fit dey take am anytime wey you know say yes, you really weak and tired. You know say some people now when they come back from work, once they don sit down for parlour, sit down for their sitting room, so they no dey fit move their leg or hand because they don over tire, over labour, over stress. Especially where women wey be say we dey run up and down, run go pick pikin, run go supermarket, come cook, come do house choice. You understand? When you dey tired, you take am. It's wonderful and it's amazing. That is for the lift. So we still get another one wey me I dey call am Angian PPO again. This one na just omega. This omega, we get omega-3 inside, omega-6, omega-9, omega blah blah blah. You don't understand? So we get all the omegas inside. It's so wonderful, it's amazing. Even my mother confirmed it. My mother said, oh my daughter, this omega is so wonderful, because my mother was having high blood pressure. You understand? And not tell you say they cure her, but it's very wonderful and amazing. You understand? It suppresses it, it bring it down, it bring it to normal. You understand? So it's so wonderful. People say, yeah, it's expensive, but they make her the way be say we go fit afford that. Fear for 4 months, 4 times. You understand? 4 times you do the payment every month, which is for 4 months. You can afford it. You can just get it. This omega is good for high blood pressure. It's good for those that are diabetes. It's good for your bones. It's good for your vein. It's good. It's made with fruits. It's amazing. It's so wonderful. It's so nice. You understand? No, say the more they break, the more your age they add. You understand me? So the more your age they add, your bone they strong. So what do you need? We need vitamin. We need fruits for those bones. It's good for rheumatism. It's good for rheumatism. So if I am you, I can buy it for myself. I can order it for my mother. I can order it for my father. This is the best gift you can give to somebody. Even though at first the person not looking at something, but the moment they take and you go no say yes. They say money where is sweet, now money na killer. You don't understand me? So you go no say that soup where you buy now real better soup. Now that is for the omega inside. Okay. I also have the chewable for kids. These are the chewable. Are vitamins. These are vitamins for the kids. You understand? Sometimes we always buy bonbons. This vitamin is good for our kids, especially when you know your kids doesn't eat much. It doesn't drink a lot of water. You know, water is helpful. Water is so good for our body, for our health. So if your kids don't drink a lot, it doesn't eat a lot, you need this chewable. It's like bonbon inside. Me, I used to put it in the tray, in the plate. I will put it in my table, so my kids always come around to take. As you can see, it's not much inside anymore. You see it? Because they are eating it all the time. So when you want your own, you just write me, you just call me. I will I will order for you as well. This one is so wonderful. My God. If your daughter hair is pulling, if your daughter hair is not growing well, the moment she start eating these vitamins, you will see the difference. Yes, you will see the difference. It's so wonderful. Order for your kids is the best gift as well for your kids. You understand? So you can order. So we also have here our shake. This is our shake. You can see it's our shake. This shake is good for as many that said, oh, I build for body. Some of them they approach. You don't see me now. You don't see my skin. I go tell una the secret at the come. May I first continue first. I can't tell una my secret of my skin. Okay, so this one are the complete. This one are vanilla. We have vanilla. We have the choco as well. This one is so wonderful. Maybe for example, you want to do diet, you are too big in your body, you are fat, so you want that body to go down a little bit. You can come for shake. You can call for shake. Shake is so wonderful and amazing. You understand? So we take shake 2 times a day. Some people take once a day. As for like me, I take once daily. Normally I take it as my breakfast. You understand? I take it as my breakfast. So how do we go about taking this shake? Shake is going with a low fat milk. 0.1 fat, 0.13% of low milk. You understand? So we take 250 milligram. 250 milligram of 0.1, 0.3 milk. You understand? Then 250 grams you measure. We take a 1 spoon from this shake. Then you take any fruit of your choice. You add it to your blender. You add everything to your blender. So we have the Primo Castors, which we take as well. I'm coming to that. I will show you the Primo Castors. So those Primo Castors, we take it 2 daily. 2 once daily. You understand? So we have 6 Primo Castors. So you take 2 from each, will be 6. You add it to this shake and the fruit and the mesh that you have in your blender. Then you blend very, very well. When you blend very well. After blending, you start stepping up. You understand? You will see your body, your stomach, you see everything going down. Okay? We also have here the Primo Castors. These are the Primo Castors that I just talked about, not quite long. This one are the Primo Castor when I talk about just now. You understand? This Primo Castor, now the card and the secrets where they make my skin they glitter as well. This one are the just, you understand? See, not fit say na for fancy, na for selling. See, you see, I dey eat them. I dey eat them. You see, they're almost finished. So once you finish, I order again. You see, so na me dey eat am. So na my own portion where I dey eat two. You understand? This one this castor, you know, so most of us like me. So me, I dey hardly eat fruits. You know why they hardly eat fruit? Like this fruit where they call ananas. I know they catch am, I know they touch am. You understand? Like this other fruit they call apple. I hardly in a year can say I will bite apple. Just bite small 2 times in a year. I don't buy it. I don't like it. You understand? So me, I have that light stomach. Anytime I eat fruit, I'm always purging. So I hardly buy fruit to eat. But they make it in a way that I can take it. You see? These are made with fruits. All these are fruits. These are vegetables. You understand? You see? So they make it easy. And do you know how many contents that this each Primo Castors have? 30. So together it's 90 vitamins in here. Different type of vitamins. 90. You understand? Many of us they eat 3 different type of fruits daily. It's difficult. So they make am. Let me tell you another secret. If I take this thing, maybe today I really tired well, I take am this evening before I go bed. Once I wake up tomorrow, see, I go fit do the whole work wey dey the house so that I no go tire. E go strengthen all my bones. E go give me more. I go feel say yes, I really get vitamin in my body. No be most of us wey no dey eat vitamin C. This one na real vitamin. This one is so wonderful. It's amazing. It's good for your skin, for your hair, for your body, for your bones. It's amazing. It's amazing. As the product na amazing. Na so all those wonderful things na amazing too. You understand? So you can order for yours as well. You can inbox me. Inbox me, inbox me. This one na the America Wonder wey come see dey join now. This one is just the booster. This booster na dey boost our big tummy down. You know, dey take time. When you fit dey take am 3 times daily, I bet you see am no be for fancy. E dey work. I mean dey eat am. You understand? You understand? So this booster, how do you go about taking it? It's 3 times daily. 3 times daily. Na sachet. 3 times daily. You take this booster. Well, if I'm taking it, as for me, I take it 6 o'clock in the morning once I wake up, before before I take care of the kids. When I wake up, I take with warm water, very very lukewarm water. So I will just open one, I pour in a glass of water, I will stir very very well, then I will drink up. You understand? Then I will start doing any other house chores I want to do before my kids will wake up. So in the afternoon, I will take before lunch time. I will also mix it with warm water, then I take as well. Then in the evening, I take as well before dinner. You understand? So that is how I take it every time, 3 times daily. Before your breakfast, before your lunch, and before your dinner. It works. Listen, people go say, e no dey work. Juice Plus no dey work. Juice Plus no dey work. Who tell you say e no dey work? Try am. Follow the instruction. For example, you buy for me, I go follow you up. I go dey tell you what to eat. You understand? How to go about it. Na the mistake wey many people dey make be that one. How you go dey say yes because you dey take Juice Plus now, because you dey do diet now, because your tummy big now. In the evening when you wan enter bed, you go carry heavy food. You eat around 9 or 10, then you go bed. You think say e go dey work for you like that? No. No. So they say truth is bitter, one have to say it. Check it out, my darling. Check it out. You understand? So as people dey talk am, heaven help those that help themselves. Let's help ourselves. Our health needs to be okay. You understand? We need to work on our health. Our health is important. Our health, our life is important. We have to take care of our body. See now, summer is approaching. How do you want to look? You want to look like 16 years? You want to look like 30 years? You want to look like 50 years? All is in your hand. All is in your determination. Harder. Okay? Inbox me. My website is there. Inbox me, or that you write me on Messenger. You can send me voice recording. I am there 247 to answer. Thank you. Remember, I want you to be your boss by yourself. Be my business partner. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. One love, one love. Take good care of yourself. And don't forget, always share my video. Thank you. Till we see you next time. I love you. I love you. I love you. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.